Alright everybody, here's the issue. Today is February 13th, which means that tomorrow is Valentine's Day, or the Day of Love. It is currently 11:47 p.m. and I still have not gotten Jade anything for Valentine's Day. Totally kidding, guys. I had to get her something. My girlfriend is not hard to shop for. I started with Sephora. Let's see here. Fenty? What the heck is Fenty? Ooh, Rihanna. Okay, it must be that good shit. You might be wondering why I'm even making this video. Well, my girlfriend is awesome. I'd give her the world if I could. So why not express that to her on the Day of Love through something more than a bought gift? Enjoy, guys.